Dude, it is fucking banging out here today. Look at that. I forgot how awesome it can be out here when it rains. When the ocean gets a little crazy. Listen to that roar. They don't seem that big, but go out there and swim. Pretty good size out here. Look at that. 3 out. This is awesome. Look at that. All I need is a surfboard, man. And keep these guys from stealing stuff out of my car. I'll buy a surfboard and come out here and surf. Alright, I got a broken window. So they're stealing shit. Pretty fucking awesome. Yeah, it's me. I like it. My favorite spot. Out here by this thing. Little jetty. Go back having fun. Just wanted to show you a little bit of what I'm doing tonight. Sun's about to go down. There's something out there. Is that a boat? Look at all the surfers over there. You see them way over there? Little specks. They're surfing. Nobody's going up yet. I can catch one went down over there somewhere. Yeah. There's a little boat out there. There it goes. Catch it. Oh yeah, we got one. And he's up. Don't run out of me, camera. And he went down that fast. That's pretty rough out there today. Look at that white water splashing over real quick. Boom, take you right out. Oh well, back to fun. See y'all later.